Hello guys, how to use filtration and videos analysis to manage and maintain your YouTube videos or YouTube channel for increasing monetization, subscribers and all this. Okay, for increasing subscribers, views and monetization. So for doing this, we will uh, concentrate together in this video, and I will show you all the details and all the technicals for increasing your channel's subscribers and views and monetization. Okay, so keep concentrate with me and let's go. We will open a YouTube channel, and here in the Visual Studio we need to go to content in the Visual Studio, and here all the videos and here all the shorts. So you select which you will maintain and manage, shorts or videos or live or posts or playlists or podcasts. Okay, so let's select videos, and from here we select all videos and select all videos. So all your hundreds videos will be selected. Okay, then you will select a filter. When you press here in the filter, you will see these all the criteria which you will select one or two or three or all of them to monetize to filter according to this criteria. So you can select monetization, or you can select products, or the title, or the description, or the copyright. So if I select copyright, so all videos which has copyright will appear. So all these videos has copyrights. Okay, these videos all has copyrights, but this copyrights is not affects the channel, but it has no monetization. So the monetization is illegible because it's copyright. This one example. You can select another example. Age restriction. So if there is age restriction, viewers over 18 or none. So all the viewers which under 18 will appear here or not here. So these are you have to select all videos. Sorry, select all and then select the filter. So here select all and then select the filter. Age restriction, none, apply. So those are has no age restriction. Okay, another filtration we can select also, select over all, so video all, and then select filter and select here views. Okay, views. Here in views he asks you greater than or equal or less than or equal. So I will select less than or equal or greater than. So if I need to know all the videos which is greater than 10 kilo or 10 kilo views, 10,000 of views, I will apply here, and here it will show me only the videos who are more than 10,000. So I know why these videos are success, and I do like these videos. So another thing, I can select all videos also, and then apply. Select all, and then here views, and I will select less than to know why these videos are not success. So I will less than 50 views or 30 views, these failed videos. So I will maintain and repair these videos. This also not scheduled, so it's 0 views. So I will overcome this and then go directly after the prepare and schedule, and it will show me all the videos which are less than 30 views. All these scheduled videos, 0 views and 0 likes and 0 comments. But after that, this is the videos which are less than 30 views. Okay, less than 30 views. Okay, you can also do something less than 30 views and greater than and has a title. So you have title البورصة مثلا, يعني there is some word in the title, so it will bring only the videos which are contain the word البورصة and in same time less than 30 views. It's clear? Okay, so you can fix these videos, you can repair, you can add thumbnail, you can add keywords, you can add description to enhance these videos. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and share this with others so they have benefits, and press like, you don't lose anything. Thanks for watching the video. With you, engineer and educator Osama.